I assure you all that by the end of today's video, you all will be able to use Canva to perform 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and much more. So yeah, let's get started. Let me use this medium to say a very big congratulations to you all in advance, because I am very sure that by the end of today's video, you all will become a professional, and in fact you can even use the skill gained in today's video to earn a lot more in future. So yeah, let's get properly started so you can get your jotters or even get a piece of paper so as to jot and note down all the key things in today's video. So yeah, let's hop properly into today's tutorial. So the very first thing is to create an account with Canva, and all you want to do is to go to this site canva.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description, and once you come over here, what you want to do is to just click on sign up. Okay, so once you click on sign up, you can continue with your Google account, your Facebook account, or continue with your normal email or another way. Okay, but for the sake of today's video, we're going to continue with our Google account. All right, so you want to click on that, and then you just want to click on your account. Okay, so once you do that, you'll be basically taken into Canva's home page. So now let's get properly started. So as you guys can see, it was very easy to create your account. So that's the very first thing you want to do. And now all you want to do is to just accept all cookies, and then you just want to answer these few questions from Canva. So what will you be using Canva for? Small business, personal, student, non-profit or charity, large company, teacher. Okay, so you can just go for either of them, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're just going to go for personal over here, and then you have try Canva Pro for free. Okay, in case you want to try the better version of Canva, you can as well opt into the free trial, or you can as well even pay for it. Okay, or we can actually set this aside for the sake of today's tutorial. Okay, so maybe later. Alright guys, that's the very first step, and congratulations as you've completed the very first step. So now we're into the home page of Canva, and as you guys can see, the very first thing we have at the top over here is design spotlight. Okay, so this is just the part that shows you just like a highlight of what you can actually do with Canva. Okay, so you have the visual documents, we have photos and videos, we have print, we have marketing. Okay, and now we have the next one over here, which is business. Okay, you can actually use Canva for content creation, visual communications, and so many much more business solutions over here. And also you can as well use, depending on the type of the business you're doing, if it's an enterprise, if it's a smaller, medium, startups, whatever type of business, and then what is the solution, okay, based on your business, and also the resources you need in your business. Okay, now the next thing you have over here is education. Okay, in case you want to use Canva as well for the purpose of education, you have a place over here where you have teachers in schools, we have students, teaching resources, higher education, and so much more. And now the next thing we have at the top over here is plans and pricing. This basically deals with the Canva Pro and every other thing that deals with pricing on Canva. And now the final thing over here at the top is the learn. Okay, in case you want to learn some other things, although I'm already going to teach you guys every single thing you need to know perfectly in today's video, but then in case you still want to learn more, you can as well come here to learn, and then you can opt into whatever you want to learn. And in case you have some issues, you can as well come to the help center over here. Okay, you want to come to the health center and lay your complaints based on anything that might be affecting you on Canva. And now let's proceed to the writer part. Okay, now you have this icon, which is basically to download the app. Okay, in case you want to download the app, you can as well just click on this icon. And now the next thing we have over here is settings. Okay, in case you want to set out your design, your layout of Canva. Okay, just to show you guys, you want to click on settings. Okay, and then in setting, you can see you want to set up your profile picture, your email, what exactly you're going to be using Canva for, your language, your theme. Okay, do you prefer a dark theme, do you prefer a light theme? Okay, let's even go for a dark theme for today's tutorial. Okay, it's actually much more cool. Okay, so your accessibility, high color contrast, and so much more settings options over here. Okay, so let's go back. And now after the settings, we have another thing over here, which is basically your notifications. Okay, in case you have a lot of messages from several people. Okay, and now the next thing we have over here is the option for create a design, but we're going to come back over here. All right, so now let's proceed to the left area of the home page. Now we have home over here, which is basically where we are right now, the home page. And now we have a new feature right now in 2024, although it came last year, ending last year, which is the Magic Studio, more like an AI, AI feature, okay, in order to generate whatever you want to generate. Okay, just to show you guys, you want to click on this Magic Studio, and then you can see all the power of AI all in one place. Magic Studio brings together the best AI power tools for you and your team right inside Canva. In case you want to, optimize Canva using AI, this is Magic Studio, and I'm going to be showing you guys later on this particular tutorial. Okay, now you have your projects over here. In case you actually create or you're doing some designs, you will have your project saved over here. Canva automatically saves whatever you're doing on their site. All right, and now you have templates. On this place, you're going to see a whole lot of templates based on different designs. It could be flyers, it could be banners, thumbnails, whatever designs. You'll always find them here in templates, and you can as well select from them and then edit it based on your own preference. All right, and now the next thing we have over here is brand. Branding is simply you actually making yourself unique in a particular way. Okay, so now with branding icon over here, you're able to access a lot of features that deals with brands. For example, you own a brand, and now once you have this feature by actually registering with Canva Pro, you'll be able to have your logos, your flyers, and whatever you need in one place as a brand. Okay, and now we have the next thing here is the apps. Okay, Canva apps, where you have several other apps you can as well use here in Canva. And now the next thing we have over here is create a team. In case you're not just a one-man business, you have several other friends, you can as well create a team in order for you guys to share your access to Canva Pro and many much more features. And now let's proceed back to the home page. Now the next thing you guys can see over here is use 5 words to describe your design. In case you're looking for what you want to design, you can as well just type it here. Okay, and then you can get feedbacks from Canva. And now let's scroll down and see. So now you can see you might also want to try out play with Canva, documents, whiteboard presentations, and much more. Now let's proceed properly into the step-by-step tutorial. Okay, now the very first thing we're going to start with here is how to create a logo. Okay, now I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a logo, and now you can use this particular skill to even start a business. Okay, you can start something and even start making logos for several businesses and then get paid. So what you want to do to get started in creating a logo is you want to click on create a design. Once you click on create a design, you just want to scroll down. As you guys can see, we have a logo over here, so you want to select that, and now you'll be taken to the main editing page for Canva. So as you can see, it has already designed the ratio of a logo. You can as well just skip to, and now you have several templates of logos you can select from over here. That's one of the best things of Canva. Okay, so now if it's going to be a personal logo for your brand or for your business or just for your personal self, you can as well just type in what exactly you would like your logo to look like. If you're someone that is a gamer and you want your logo to look like a lion or things like that, you can as well search for that over here, a lion. You're gonna see so much more logos based on that. And if it's gonna be a business about money, you can as well search for money. It's gonna give you so many logo options. And now what you want to do in order to make it look unique is you want to look for the one you prefer. Okay, so let's say I prefer this particular one, and then once you select it, you can as well edit it. And now how do you edit this? But before we proceed into that, I'm going to explain everything as everything you guys can see on the screen right now. So the very first thing here is design. This is where you have several templates, as you guys just saw on the design feature. You have so much more templates over here. And now the next thing you have over here is elements. In case you like to add something unique, probably you want to add some photos, or you want to add some special graphics, you want to incorporate something special in your own design, you can as well just search for things over here. Let's say you're creating something like this logo and you want to add some stars, you can as well just search for stars. Okay, and you're gonna have so much more stars you can play with, and now you can start applying it to your logo to even bring out something more unique. Okay, so this is elements where you have graphics, you have photos, you have videos, you have shapes, audios, frames, charts, and much more. Okay, so this is the main purpose of elements. You can even use it to get a very nice background design or even a very nice photo, okay, for your design. So that's what elements is about. Now you have the next one, which is text. Okay, this is basically where you get your fonts from. You get your designer fonts, nice attractive designs, nice attractive aesthetic text. Okay, so this is where you want to come to in case you need that. If you want a normal text style like an heading, this is it over here, or subheading, this is it over here, and then you have the little body text. Probably it's like a motto of your logo or whatever, just a little text. Okay, this is where you want to come to. And in case you want an already designed font, you can as well scroll down. You're going to see a whole lot of them. Okay, you can just select from this one. Let's say I want to use this one in the logo design, so I'm just going to click on glow, and then I can just make this money up. Okay, so money up. Okay, and then you just want to reduce it. This stuff at the body is just to reduce the size. Okay, so we can just reduce this. Okay, so money up. Okay, and then this is just an example, so you can as well drag it. Okay, you can drag it down. Just want to drag it down, and then you just want to make it look very unique, so we can just delete this one. Okay, and then you can just replace it with this particular one. Okay, so that's basically how it is for text. And now the next thing over here is the brand I talked about earlier on. But in order to access this one, you need to try out Canva Pro, or just subscribe to Canva Pro. Okay, so now the next thing we have over here at the left hand side is your upload. In case you have an already created design or a picture you want to use in your logo design, you can as well upload these from your computer. Okay, you want to click on upload files, and now you'll be taken to your computer to select whatever you want to upload. All right, so just an example, I'm going to come here to my downloads just to show you guys. And then once I come to my download, I'm just going to select something random just to show you guys. Let's say I want to go for this particular one. Oh, let's scroll up. Okay, let's say I want to upload this. So once I click it, as you guys can see, it's going to be uploaded, and now I'll be able to add it, okay, to my design. And now the next thing we have over here is draw. So now with the feature, with the use of draw, you basically just want to probably want to sketch out something, or you want to do a freehand logo design. Okay, there are a lot of people out there that prefer doing a freehand logo design, so you can as well come over here to draw and select your best brushes. As you guys can see, once I select this one, you see I can actually do some free sketches. Okay, although it's always better to use like an iPad or tablet to enjoy this feature more. Okay, and now the next thing we have over here is our project. Okay, all our completed projects, all our design projects, you'd always find them over here. And now the final thing over here is the apps. Okay, we already talked about this earlier on. So now to proceed with the logo design, like I said, okay, so depending on the type of logo you want, in case you want a quick logo, or you have a business already started just because you already know how to do this, and the person tells you, okay, I want a logo based on this particular business and that business. Let's say it's a perfume business, you just want to search for perfume. Okay, once you search for perfumes, as you guys can see, you have a whole lot of options over here, and then you just want to select one, and then you want to edit it based on the person's design. Let's say the person's business is Cam business or Cam perfume, so you just want to replace it and then start sending a lot of options and get paid once you're done. So that's basically how logo works. Okay, it's very easy, and like I said earlier on, in case you want to add something unique, you can as well use your elements. All right, so now let's go back to the home and proceed to another design. Now we're going to be talking about banner designs. Okay, it's basically similar with that of the logo. All you want to do is to come to create a design over here, and then you want to go for banner. Okay, you just want to scroll up and down, and then you're going to see banner. Okay, or you can just search for it, banner. That's the special thing about Canva. You can as well search for any single thing you need. Now the banner or cover page, they're all similar. All you want to do is to search for the feature. Let's say it's a banner or cover you want to create, and then you want to search for it, and then just come to the design. You're going to have a whole lot of templates, And now all you want to do is to select based on the one you prefer and based on what your business or whatever you want to use it for is related to. Okay, let's say it's about a home banner I want to create. I'm just going to search for home designs. Okay, I'm going to come here and search for home. Okay, and as you guys can see, I have a whole lot of option I can use over here. So what you want to do is to just select it, and then you can edit it based on your preferred option. And you can even change the text. Let's say your text is kid cares, and then you don't want this picture. Let's say you want the design but you don't want this picture. So all you want to do is to use what I've already explained to you guys. You want to come to element over here and search for home. Once you search for home, you can come to photos over here and look for nice photos you prefer. Just drag it out and replace. It's that easy, guys. It's that easy. So that's for banners. Okay, and then we can go back to our home page. Okay, you want to do the same thing for all other designs. You have presentations here. In case of PowerPoint designs, I know a lot of people still use PowerPoint, but you want something faster and something more attractive, you can come here to Canva and open presentations. And once you open presentations, you also want to do the same thing. Let's say your presentation is about an engineering project. You just want to search for engineering. It's that easy. Engineering. And once you search for engineering, you have a whole lot of options you can select from. All you want to do is to to select your preferred option, and then you just want to edit it based on your particular presentation topic. Okay, it's that easy. As you guys can see, this is page 1, this is page 2, page 3, page 4. All you want to do is to just edit it, and it's going to come out very fine. And now let's go back to our main page again, and now I'm going to be teaching you guys another special thing, which is the animation aspect. Okay, how to actually create animations, how to create cartoons. It's very easy using Canva. Okay, and in addition to creating animations with using Canva, you want to go to another site called Animated Drawings. Okay, Animated Drawings. Yeah, this is the site, this particular one. So what you're gonna do is to come to create a design, and then you want to search for cartoon. Okay, once you search for cartoon, you just want to click on cartoon logo or cartoon video. Okay, and then you want to click on cartoon video. All right, and then all you want to do now is to search on the type of cartoon you want to create. I'm just gonna look for a particular cartoon, look. Okay, I can just say a baby. Okay, I can just say a baby, and then it's going to show me various options, animated cartoons of babies. So this is one aspect of animation. The second aspect, which is the best part, is you using a normal picture or normal cartoon. Okay, so let's go to normal landscape, or let's just go for banner. Let's search for banner. All right, let's use a banner, then landscape. So this is how this work. Okay, all you want to do right now is to come to elements. Once you come to elements, let's say I want to create a cartoon based on animals or even fruits that are talking or saying hello to the audience. Okay, I can just go for let's say an orange. Let's search for orange. All right, let's say I want to create a cartoon of orange talking. So as you guys can see, we have a whole lot of options over here. Okay, so this would have been the best, but it actually requires a Canva Pro. Okay, let's just keep scrolling. We're gonna see a better one. Okay, so we can go for this particular one. Okay, we're gonna make it the head. All right, and then you want to look for eyes. Okay, eyes, and then as you guys can see, we can just bring this here and then reduce this, bring it to this part. Okay, we can as well increase it. So you want to create your cartoon, your cartoon icon, your cartoon person. You can add the eyes, and then you can even enlarge this. Just select all like this, and then you want to enlarge every single thing. You can even add some other fruits. Let's add pineapple, for example. Let's search for pineapple. Just pineapple. Okay, so let's see perfect pineapple over here. We just want to go to graphics, and let's use this particular one as the head. Okay, then you want the head. You just want to click on this eyes, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, you can as well do this on your mobile device. Okay, and then you want to add the eyes, or you can as well search for different eyes. And now the main idea is once you're done designing, you can as well add a normal background over here. Let's look for cartoon background. Okay, and then cartoon background. Okay, perfect. Let's go to photos. over here. Let's say we want to use this let's say we want to use something free. Okay, let's look for something free. Let's say we want to use this one, for example. Okay, let's say we want to use this one, for example. You just want to expand this. Once you expand this, all you want to do is to right click, and then you want to go to layer and send back. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is just an example. We can as well just drag this downwards to make it look, better at least. Okay, so guys, now that's under feature I just showed you guys. Okay, when you right click, we have certain things that comes out. We have the first one, which is copy. We have copy style, paste. Duplicate is to create a copy, okay, of that particular thing. And now you have layer. In case you want to send a text or you want to send a photo to the back or to the front, you can as well use this feature. Okay, and then we have some other features over here: show timing, links, logs, and the rest. Okay, so now once you're done creating the cartoon, all you want to do is to click on share over here, and then you want to click on download. Once you click on download, you just want to download the picture. All right, now once you've downloaded the picture, to make it look real, all you want to do is to come to the site animated drawings I showed you guys earlier on. You want to click on accept over here. You want to click on get started. You want to click on upload photo. This is where you're going to be uploading the photo to now bring out the life in the animation. So for example, once I click on the photo, it's going to load down, and let's see, all I want to do right now is to click on next. Okay, so it's actually scanning. So let's see. So would you like to help us with that? Not yet. Let's just click on agree. And now this is where you guys want to do the main thing, okay, concerning animation with Canva. Okay, so now you want to click on this is the character over here, then next. Okay, it's going to analyze it again, and now as you guys can see, we have several options over here. Although we didn't create the hand, right? You need to create the hands and the legs, okay, to make it look perfect. But this is how it works. Once you've done the the design in Canva, okay, as you guys can see, once you've done the design of whatever cartoon you want to do, you want to come to animated drawings over here, and now this is where you want to add the feature. Okay, this is where you want to add how you want the animation to look like. Okay, I didn't design this well, but yeah, that's just it. That's basically how it works. That's the idea. I believe you all understand what I'm trying to say. So you want to design it, and then you want to come to animated drawings to bring out the life in the cartoon. All right, and then once you're done, you just want to share it and save it to your desktop. So that's basically how it works in terms of animation. Now let's proceed to the next thing, which is going to be about resume creation. That's your CV in case of jobs and the rest. All you want to do concerning that to create a perfect resume is to just search for resume. Okay, once you search for resume, you want to come to resume over here, and then under resume over here, you're gonna have a whole lot of nice resumes you can select from. You don't need to go to Microsoft Word to be typing and typing, wasting a lot of time. All you want to do is to come here and then select a best format for yourself. Okay, let's say this particular one I prefer. All you want to do right now is just edit it. Okay, once you select it, I'm just going to replace this with my picture. Okay, I'm just going to come here to let's go to upload. I already have some of my pictures. Let's say I want to use this picture, so I'm going to put it. I'm going to change my name. I'm going to add my business, my years of experience, and the rest. As you guys can see, it's very easy. Okay, now let's move to another thing. Another very important thing here in Canva is when you're creating a design. Let's say you want to create a flyer for a particular person's business. Like I said, all what you guys are learning in today's video, you can as well start a business with it, and you're gonna earn a whole lot of money from this. Okay, so let's say you want to create a flyer, for example, and then your client, or let's say you have a business and your client is like, okay, I need it to be this way, I need it to be that way, or your client is like, okay, I want it to be, I want the design to look this way, and you don't know how to actually create that design. Okay, all you want to do to make things easier is to come to elements over here, and then you want to scroll down to AI image generator. Okay, you want to click on generate your own, and now this is the place you can actually describe what you want. For example, the cartoon we talked about earlier on, a mango cartoon with legs and hands. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's gonna create it for you, and now you can as well start a whole lot of options from all this. There's a whole lot of options, a whole lot of things you can do. So guys, as you can see, we have the mango, and now I can as well just take this mango to the animated drawings and start something nice. So you want to do the same thing for your client. If your client tells you to create something and you don't really know how to go about it, you can come here and generate it for them. Okay, it's that easy. And you can as well add other features if you want to. You can add some other unique things to make it even come out way nice than usual. So guys, that's basically how it works. So now moving to the next thing over here, I'm going to show you guys how to edit PDFs. Okay, in case you have a PDF and you're looking for how to edit it, it's very easy with Canva. What you do is to come here to design spotlight. You want to come to PDF editor. Okay, and now once you come to PDF editor, all you want to do next is to just upload your PDF file. So once you upload the PDF file, you'll be able to actually edit it. Okay, let's just look for a random one. I don't let's go for this particular one. Okay, so let's say this is the PDF I want to edit. Once insert it here in Canva, it's gonna open and then you'll be able to edit it based on whatever you want to do. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is actually a PDF form. I can just come here to text in case I want to add some things, or I want to add my signature and things like that. It's very easy with Canva. And now moving to the next thing here, I'm going to show you guys again how to edit videos using Canva. It's very easy as well. All you want to do in order to make things faster, you don't need to start coming here to create a design and scroll down and look for whatever you want, although this is it over here. But then you can as well just search for video. Okay, once you search for video, it's gonna pop out. Okay, so these are video templates you can actually select from. Okay, depending on the type of video you want to create. Okay, let's say you want to create a video based on nature, or you want a video based on animals for your project. You can as well come here and just search for it. Okay, or you can just click on create blank to start from the scratch. And once you click on create blank and you don't know where to start from, you can as well just search for it. Okay, I can just see animals. Okay, I can see animals. So as you guys can see, I have a whole lot of animals that I can use here. And if any person that is into animal, comedy, you can as well use things like this. So once I play it, as you guys can see, it's actually moving, but then I can actually add my own things. Now, how to actually edit and make it look even way better, we have what we call animate over here. So in case of your text, okay, once you click on your text and you want to animate it, how do you want your text to pop in and how do you want it to go out? Okay, so all you want to do right now is to just come here, click on the text, and then you want to click on animate, and then you can select whatever one you prefer over here. So let's just say I want this one, and then I'm going to replace this with best dog. Okay, and then once I say best dog, as you guys can see, once I restart it, it's going to come out with the animation. And in case you want to add some other things, let's say you want to add some text or like subscribe icon, or you want to add some other features, you can as well just come back over here, and then you can look for the best video that suits your need. And now we have another page over here where you can add some other videos. In case you want to create a whole lot of videos, you can as well come here and then open a whole lot of them and then just create them all at once, especially if you're the type that posts on social medias, or you post on YouTube, or you post on Instagram. I want a whole lot of video designs at once. All you want to do is to just keep on creating blanks, and then you can as well just copy something from here, come here, paste it, do things. It makes things way faster. And then once you're done and you're ready to actually download it, all you want to do is to come to share over here, and then you want to come to download. In case you want to download anything here on Canva, that's basically how you download. Okay, you come here to share, and then you come to download. Now depending on what you want to download, if it's going to be a video, you can see MP4 video, you just want to click on download. And then if it's a picture, okay, for example, let's go to picture. Let me show you guys. If it's a picture, create a design, let's say it's a flyer, let's do the picture. Okay, so all you want to do is to just come here to share again and come to download over here. In case it's a PDF you require, okay, you want to come here to PDF and then download. If it's an image, you come to JPG or PNG and then download. It's that easy, guys. Another special thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how to create a 3D mockup. Mockup basically means you owning a business that deals with maybe books or even clothing or even cups, mugs, and the rest. How to do that 3D design on them. Okay, so all you want to do is to come here to where you have design spotlight again, and then you want to come to print. Okay, once you come to print, you can see cards, you can see mugs, t-shirts, hoodies. Okay, so in case you're a designer and you're looking for a way to actually create your designs before you actually print it out, you can as well come here for t-shirt. For example, once I click on t-shirt, you can see so many examples of t-shirt designs, okay, as you guys can see. And now all you want to do is to make the design and then create it on the t-shirt, and then you can go to your printing businesses around to make it a reality. And then same thing applies to that of the mugs. I'm just going to open it for you guys to see the mugs. You can as well do the designs and even make it look very real before going to the printing company to actually print it out. So guys, as you can see, Canva is a whole lot of things, okay. You can actually do a whole lot of things with Canva. And now, in addition to everything I've said, in addition to every single thing I've said, with these Canva skills, I believe you all already understand right now. You want to try it out by yourself. You want to experiment with it. You want to keep on expanding with it, and the best way to expand is by you continuously using Canva, using Canva for your logos. In fact, even starting a business, a service business, and then using Canva as you too. I'm telling you, you're gonna earn a whole lot of money just by doing all this. And I believe you all have learned a whole lot already in today's video, and I believe you all would actually implement it as well. And yes guys, in case you haven't subscribed still with all this, make sure to subscribe, as I'm sure you don't want to miss out on my next highly informative video. And yes guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to drop a like and also share it out, and I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.